Orlando Pirates are taking on the Wodi FC of Lesotho in the CAF Champions League round, the second leg. South African Giants, Orlando Pirates host the Wodi FC. But let us start with the preview or the highlights of the previous leg. Let us watch this clip.
Naitikwa among us Orlando Pirates. Skucho Sabune za Pirates. Holowaka Bakokota. Holowaka Baeta. Holowaka Bakonumela. Nebasa Bulelwe. Patwele Tinitila Toke. Nako Nemototo Diakoroka.